Okay, starting a fish and chip shop from scratch, this is going to be a journey. Hi and welcome back to my channel. This one you're going to really need to like and subscribe to see the journey unfold. We are about to open a fish and chip shop from scratch in Moreton in Southampton. We've taken a space, we're on a budget, we're going to see how far we can take this. Okay, so we're down here on Western Shore. This is the beach in between Moreton and Netley and is a stone's throw away from Moreton Waterside and Centenary Quay. While we're on this beach, we did some research into the local area, and this was the location of the Seaweed Hut. This was a place built by local fishermen out of driftwood and a seaweed roof, and was here for hundreds of years and was a fixture in the Woolston area. It was logged in a journal in 1783 and apparently had ancient origins even before then, and stayed here till the late 60s when the local council took it down as it was a derelict building by that point. But up until then, fishermen used it over hundreds of years as a place to shelter from poor weather conditions, from storms and from bad weather, and it stood about 25 feet by 14 feet in size and just above high water, perfect fishing conditions. We thought it'd be a great name for the fish and chip shop as it linked to the local area, a bit of local history, and also to fishermen, to fresh seafood, to the sea right on our doorstep. And if you want to come down for a look, it's about a 5-minute walk from Woolston. Come down, have a walk on the beach, come back and get some fish and chips. Just as a side note, it was also used by smugglers. They used to come in on boats, drop the kegs of liquor into the Seaweed Hut, which will get picked up at a later date. We aren't going to do any smuggling, but we shall sell some craft beers and some cocktails linked to the sea. Okay, let's get back to the shop. Okay, so we're back here at the shop in Woolston, and we are trying to recreate the same feel that the Seaweed Hut had. We are recreating all the seating and all the tables out of reclaimed wood. So a bit like the fishermen use the driftwood on the beach to build the Seaweed Hut, we are using reclaimed bits of wood and wood that we can get our hands on to build the seating and build the tables to give the Seaweed Hut that same kind of feel about it. Yesterday afternoon we lifted the fryer over the counter and put that into position here. So the fryer's getting put into place, the electrician's coming soon to put that in and get the gas connected. And next door we have the bakery. So behind me here you can see the wall we put up. So we took the unit, we've separated it in half, got a coffee roastery going on next door and the bakery. So watch this space, we're alongside doing the fish and chip shop, we're also opening a bakery to keep things exciting. So watch this space and I'll put in videos of opening a bakery from scratch. Thank you again so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you at episode 2 of how to start a fish and chip shop from scratch. Take care now, bye. This is Western Shore, and this is in between Moreton and Netley, and a thrown stow away, and there's a thrown, oh my god. Okay, we're down here on Western Shore, just in between Moreton and Netley. We're probably a stone's throw away, I've done that so many times, a stone's throw away from Moreton and Centenary Quay.